Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm doing my brows today. I start off by just wetting up the hair, just trying to get it moisturized so that when I go in with this spoolie right here, it's just easier for me to shape and get an idea of how I want my brows to look before I go in with my razor. Alright, so once I played around with the shape, I go back in with my spoolie and I brush my hairs down so I know which little pieces of particles I gotta get up out of there. Like, I need to see the little hairs that don't belong on my face. I personally love to use these little razors. It's just easy to control them and really see where you're going ham on those hairs. I really got a good feel for what to do at this point. If you're using the razors that you be using for your legs and your arms and all of that, baby, you won't have no brows. And I need these. The brows make my face, period. So I love that I have this extra control with this little thing. Now, there's no real method to my madness other than I always start on top of my brow, but sometimes I work from the end to the inside. Sometimes I work from the inside to the end. It just depends. So today I started on like the inside of my brow, shaped her up some, then I jumped to the end of the brow, then I jumped to the arch of the brow, then I jumped to the unibrow. So it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling in that moment. Do what works for you. No method really works for me. I just know that they look good by the end. I periodically go through with my water and napkin just to wipe away the hairs, because sometimes a random piece of hair will fall off the blade back onto your face and you might get it confused with what you're supposed to be cutting away. Like, it just makes it easier, keeps it clean. That's it. Ooh, this right here is my favorite part. I think it's so satisfying going in with the scissors. Like, just look at the lineup. I feel like this is how barbers feel, for real. I'm really the barber of my brows. Like, just look at that clean cut. Yes, ma'am. And then, you know, my least favorite part gotta be after. I hate plucking. It's really unnecessary, but sometimes I'm just extra. Like, sometimes I just need to feel like I really did something, so I pluck a little hair, but it only be like 1 or 2 because that'll be hurting. And boom, that's it. That's all. I went back through with this little comb brush duo just so y'all could see how them hairs are perfectly aligned for the most part. I still like that rough, natural, thick looking brow, but you can definitely see the difference. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat these same steps to the other side of my brow, the other side of my face. So just enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment below on how you get your eyebrows done. I would love to hear the different techniques. And yeah, I'll see y'all all in my next video. Bye.